is RF. Hear it? Hear it? Okay, we need to be able to look at this. I know. Hold that for a second. I want to try and back up. We need to get a better shot. Is there anybody right behind me?
Yes.
Man, that thing is on the ground, big, on the other side of that house. Okay, let's go over here and look north. There we go, better shot. I see debris flying. Oh man, this is a large tornado. I want to point that way. Just get a wide shot of that real quick. You can hear it. You can hear that thing. That is a strong, strong tornado.
Wow. Power flash.
Power flash, okay. Strong tornado right there. Getting bigger too. Large circulation. It's really not moving very fast. Okay, we're on our camera. We're almost pulled out. We're pulled out as far as we can go. That's how close it is right in front of us. It's not moving either. Not moving very fast. We've got west winds gusting 70, at times up to 70, and it's just north of us. Okay, I'll hold this. How do I get it back? I was trying to clear that message off of there.
Someone's actually saying, "Why are you so far away?"
That was Corey. He was joking. It was Corey Butler.
That's not nice. Okay, here you go.
All right, this is I would almost say, if we could see it, it would be a wedge tornado when it was all fully on the ground right there. It's still on the ground. It's just, oh, wow, that's crazy. Yeah, it's on the ground. It's a large tornado right there. Now, condensation fully on the ground. Condensation fully on the ground. I don't know how the contrast is. The contrast is really good on the phone here.
Yeah, not so much.
Yeah. All right, let's go east. Yeah, that's almost a wedge tornado right there. All right, it's north of the highway, maybe a half a mile to 3/4. North of the highway, half to 3/4. I think we need to find a better road. You want to hold this for me? But it's not moving very fast. I mean, really, it's slow. And this house, the people at that house back there are very lucky because it just missed you by a 1/4 mile or less than that even. Yeah, it's on the ground, still on the ground. It's a large tornado, man. This is, it's hard to see because there's so much rain. It's hard to see because it's pretty rain wrapped. This thing is cycling. This thing's cycling over. What is that behind us? Straight behind us. Is that another funnel? Straight behind us.
Yes, it is.
All right, we got another tornado trying to form behind us. It's not. Power line's down right here. Power line's down. This is where this. Anyway, power line's down. Right there it is. Okay, well, so we're gonna look. We had a funnel with the new updraft right behind us, but it's gone. So we're gonna stay with this one here. Power lines are down. Oh, look at little damage on that house right there. A little bit of damage. Okay. Oh, this is nothing going on here. So we'll turn back around. Okay, let's look here real quick.
There's power lines.
Oh my goodness.
Don't hit the power line.
I know. It's hanging, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, I'll back up a little. That tornado is just beyond that house. It's just beyond that house. Look how wide that thing is. I have my camera now pulled out fully, and it goes back further than 1 to 1. Now that tornado's not moving. I feel sorry if there's anybody over there. Let's go on the other side of this house and take a look at it. I hope they're in the cellar. Wow. Oh, that thing is less than 1/4 of a mile in that field. Right there. Big tornado. Big rain-wrapped wedge tornado. I mean, this thing's fully a wedge. I see the side of it. There's one side of it right there, just to the right of the pole. The other side is over there somewhere, and my camera's pulled out as far as it'll go. All right, we need to get back on the road, figure out what this is going to do, and figure out how to stay right near it. Well, the house looks okay, just superficial stuff. Yeah, it looks like they were doing some brickwork on it, so maybe it's not damaged. Oh, I know the poles are down right next to it, though. Okay, I think the one to our west was a false alarm, and it lifted back up. We're going to stay on this one. Wedge. This thing is a wedge tornado. A large wedge. Look at that. Look at the size of that thing.
You want to hold that?
Yeah. Look how big. I'm going to pull off, and I want you to get the whole thing. And the back edge of it, especially the back edge of it. All right, right here. I'm going to stop right here. Okay. Look at the back edge of this thing. Look at that. Look the camera to the left. Pan it left.
Oh, what's going on?
Power lines just
Power
fell
lines
down.
are down.
Okay,
They just
look
fell.
over there.
They
Look over
fell
there.
right next to it.
Look, get the camera. Take the shot. Here, hold this. Hold this.
We just had power lines
Okay,
fall
okay,
right on top of
okay,
it.
okay. I got it.
All right.
Look at that thing.
I see it. All I know is we need to stay safe.
No, we're getting south winds. Oh, what's that right there next to us?
They're power lines, Val.
Okay, power line just fell right next to it.
You cannot go that direction. We need to get out of here, I think. I'm not comfortable with this. Please shut the window.
Yeah, but power line across the road. Okay, we can't go any further east. We cannot go any further east because the power line fell right next to us. You hear that loud pop?
Yes.
I don't know what that was. We gotta find another way to do this.
It's huge.
It's huge.
It's probably a half a mile wide.
It's at least a half a mile wide. I think it's bigger.
Half a mile wide tornado right out our window. It's crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna pull that up here and look at it again. That was from, those poles went down from the inflow.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the back edge of it right there. I want to go back and look.
No.
I'm going to go back here and look because that's our best ways to go east. If there's any way to get around that pole, those power lines. It's still on the ground, but it's really, really rain wrapped now. I can see rain curtains just, just streaming at warp speed around this thing. We got rain all over the inside of our windshield. Our brakes are pulling hard to one side. Is that a dog?
See those power lines up there?
Yeah.
Those are the ones that broke.
Oh my goodness. That's that loud pop we heard.
Yeah, there's no going across here.
Okay. You see that? Okay, I don't know if you can see those power lines across the road. They're suspended 3 feet in the air. There's no way to get around that. And if we'd have just went across it a little earlier. And there's the power lines that snapped right next to us. We were sitting right there on that road. We're sitting right there on that road and snapped. And that went down from inflow, from south winds. Well, we got to figure out. I say we gear up for the next one because this one's in the rain.
All right. Well,
This one's a lost cause.
our road situation is messed up, so.
Yeah, it is messed up. We got to go back south. Now we're getting we're just getting west winds. North stuff. We need to get back to this road here. Okay, guys, if anybody still listening, we're back to our south road. This stream was excluded. We had no way to go east. Power lines across the road. The way the stream has been behaving, it's been forming a new base. That curve is to the south, and we're going to have to play that. There's no going east here. South. Alright, start looking for that new base.
I just want to look at the radar for a second.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's insane. I was good with that. Okay. So, yeah, it is massive. Still on the ground, last scan.
Let me see the radar and see which way it's heading.
113 miles per hour. Shear. Well, anyway.
We need to make it over to Dimmitt. Okay, what about this road here, County Road 617, Infants? Oh, that's the one that's muddy. Never mind. Alright, we're going to have to backtrack, guys.
I'm going to try to put this in motion.